Only the seal of quality certifies that this is truly an original Black Forest cuckoo clock. If the cuckoo in your clock is not calling, make sure that the little switch in front of the door is turned to the side. The clock must be unwrapped correctly and completely. The paper around the chains, as well as the security wire, must have been removed and the weights mounted. Have the clips been removed from both pipes? Is there still a security paper inside the gong wire? Is the pendulum hanging free to move in the wire loop? The bird lifting wire needs to be positioned underneath the cuckoo figurine. Make sure the wire lifting the bellow is attached to the bellows correctly. If you have bought a clock with a turn-off switch for the sound, you need to make sure it is turned on. On some clocks, this switch is located on the side.